What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is video part 2 of 5-part series of the Grand at Moon Palace. In this video, I will be showing you what I think is the best part of Moon Palace, which is the kids club. Let's get started. This area here is the kids arcade. It's located in the same building as the lobby. They got some video games. This play area is located at the kids water park. As you can see, it's crazy big. There's also a much bigger arcade area in this place. They even got bumper cars. This here is the second floor. It's the Toddler's version of the play area. They have a big bouncy house. As you can see, my kid had a blast playing here. Yeah, that's right. It's a bowling alley.
My refrigerator is the nicest camera I've seen in my life. Just the colors in there were so nice. Yeah.
What kind of resort has a bowling alley? But you know what? It's not free. You gotta pay by the hour. It's like $100 an hour or something like that. Now we are at the kids water park. Look at this place. This is a kid's dream come true. There's so many slides, stairs, water sprays. This is a crazy water jungle gym. It's just crazy fun. This right here is the wave pool. This right here is the Toddler's play area. My kid had a lot of fun playing here. This is another Toddler's play area right here.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray.
I tell you what, guys, you will never ever run out of chairs here. Look how many chairs and cabanas, tents. So that's it, guys. This is the end of video 2 of the 5-video series on Moon Palace. The next video, part 3, will show you some of the restaurants at Moon Palace. If you're interested in seeing the food quality, then I suggest you watch video part 3. If you like the video, please click like. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. As always, many thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Have a nice day.